Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is Reverb Foundry Tai Chi from Liquid Sonics. So this is Liquid Sonics' latest ensemble reverb for stereo and Atmos, so it has all of their usual goodies in there, with some really cool multi-band editing, dynamics and chorusing all in there as well. I have a few instances of Tai Chi in my track, and they sound like this.
Standing in the shadows, walking in the rain, until the sun goes down, then I do it over again. Standing in the shadows.
So my percussion instance of Tai Chi sounds like this. And I'm using the multi-band functionality here just to brighten up my reverb. So I've got a shorter reverb right up until 2K, and then I've just made it slightly longer in the middle here. So if I play around with those, and I can make the low bands longer as well. Really useful for thickening up drum sounds there. And to the right of those time multipliers, I also have my contouring controls. Now what these do is they put filtering in the reverb loop itself, so you can have the character of the reverb change over time, and that's useful for so many things, but not least making your reverb sound highly realistic if you want to replicate that high frequency roll-off that you get in nature. So over on my pad, I have an instance of Tai Chi, and that's providing reverb and chorusing. And without that, the sound is very pedestrian indeed. I'll play that without and with. So enormous amounts of reverb there, but it's working really nicely. And in the Advanced tab, I've got access to the chorus parameters as well. And over here, I have this Wonder control. Now, it's quite complicated what it does under the hood, but it basically moves the reverb taps around in time. But the downshot of it is that longer or higher values like this mean that I get more character at the expense of smoothness. Just pull that down. So I have the choice of really amazing, lush, smooth tails there, or I can make the effect a little bit coarser just by turning this up here as well. Over on vocals, I'm making full use of Tai Chi's dynamic section for duct reverb. So I'll play those and you can really hear what it's doing.
Standing in the shadows, walking in the rain.
So I'm actually using quite a lot of reverb there, and if I disable the dynamics processing, you can hear what that's doing.
Standing in the shadows, walking in the rain. Standing in the shadows, walking in the rain.
But I'm liking the effect at the very front of each phrase, so I'm just going to pull this back here or so.
Standing in the shadows.
And again, I'm leaning quite heavily on Tai Chi's multi-band time multipliers down here. And just by adjusting these band splits, I've got some really great control here. But I'm finding again that I'm going for slightly longer times through the tops and slightly shorter times at the bottom just to keep things nice and clean.
Standing in the shadows, walking in the rain, until the sun goes down, then I do it over again.
So a great character reverb sound there. So that is Reverb Foundry Tai Chi from Liquid Sonics. To find out more and to get the full story, head over to the Production Experts blog.